Hello, I will tell you about this amazing root, ginger. Delicious roots with multiple health benefits. Get to know them. A long history that runs deep as a beverage, culinary spice or medicine for thousands of years. In this video we learn about the benefits of ginger. Ginger adds a delicious flavor to food, not to mention that it is full of beneficial health nutrients, as it has been used as a cooking and healing root for thousands of years. Ancient writings from Rome, Greece, China, and Arab countries describe uses of ginger as a medicine, and it was particularly popular in Asian medicine as a treatment for stomach problems, including nausea and diarrhea. Other traditional medicinal uses of ginger include treating muscle and joint pain, cold and flu symptoms, stomach pain, menstrual cramps, and skin burns. There are currently results of scientific studies that support the health benefits of ginger and its uses as a natural means to soothe an upset stomach, as well as many modern recipes. Ginger can be eaten fresh, dried and stored as a spice, or made into tablets, capsules and liquid extracts. There is also about 2% essential oil in the root, which is used in the cosmetic industry as a fragrance in soaps and beauty products. Ginger contains many different vitamins and minerals, as a tablespoon of fresh ginger contains 5 calories, 1 gram of carbohydrates, 0.1 grams of dietary fiber, 0.1 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 0.1 grams of sugar. Fresh ginger contains the following vitamins and minerals in small amounts: vitamin B3 and B6, iron, potassium, vitamin C, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, folic acid, riboflavin, niacin. Ginger is generally considered safe when taken as part of a healthy diet, but concentrated supplements provide the root's chemical compounds in higher doses and can cause potential side effects, such as heartburn, gas, or diarrhea. Ginger has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help the body in several different ways, as follows. 1. Soothe an upset stomach. The chemical compounds in ginger are believed to relieve stomach pain and aid digestion. Recent research has found evidence that it can be useful as a treatment for relieving morning sickness during pregnancy, and studies have shown that it is a safe and potentially effective way to help reduce nausea. Eating ginger improves indigestion symptoms by helping the stomach empty faster. The results of one small study revealed that taking 1.2 grams of ginger capsules before a meal speeds up the digestive process in people with indigestion. 2. Reducing joint inflammation. Ginger is sometimes taken as a supplement to treat rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Since ginger is an anti-inflammatory, it may also be able to relieve joint pain caused by arthritis. An old study revealed that people with knee osteoarthritis who took ginger extract had less pain and used fewer pain relievers. But they experienced some mild stomach upset due to the high concentration of ginger extract. Therefore, recent research has focused on applying ginger extract to the skin of the inflamed joint. Topical ginger treatments may be effective in reducing arthritis pain without causing side effects. 3. Reducing blood sugar. Ginger helps improve blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. In one study, in people with type 2 diabetes, researchers discovered that those who took 1,600 milligrams of ginger powder for 12 weeks had improved insulin sensitivity, lower triglycerides, and lower total cholesterol compared to the control group. Another study found that taking 2 grams of dried ginger supplements daily significantly lowered fasting blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. 4. Relieve menstrual cramps. When it comes to menstrual pain, perhaps taking ginger along with pain relievers, such as ibuprofen, can help. One study recommended that women who took 250 milligrams of ginger capsules 4 times daily got the same pain relief as those who took 400 milligrams of ibuprofen capsules 4 times daily. Reducing the effects of respiratory viruses. Ginger helps prevent infections, as one study revealed that fresh ginger can be effective against respiratory syncytial virus (HRSV), a common cause of cold-like symptoms and respiratory infections. Ginger compounds, such as gingerol and shogail, contribute effectively to combating colds because they can reduce fever, reduce pain, and suppress cough. Try it, excellent, I recommend it. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates.